Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming credentials and the environment. First, sign in at Icloud. Apple. To verify your Apple ID and password. This rules out credential errors. Once done, make sure your device clock and time zone are correct and that you're on stable Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily because it can block authentication. Also glance at Apple system status to ensure iCloud services aren't currently degraded. Next, focus on resolving account or device conflicts that often cause failures. You should sign out of iCloud in Settings, restart the device, then sign back in to refresh tokens and cache data. Make sure the device runs the latest OS, and if you see unknown devices on your Apple ID, remove them so two-factor challenges route correctly. If you still can't authenticate, reset network settings to clear stuck DNS or proxy entries, and respond to two-factor prompts on a trusted device to complete verification. To finish, handle lingering authentication or recovery tasks. If verification fails, reset your password or start account recovery at Icloud. Apple. This can take time, so be patient. If iCloud still won't sign in, restore the device from a known backup after erasing it, or note the exact error code and contact Apple support for guided help. One quick troubleshooting tip. Try signing in from a different device or a desktop browser to isolate whether the problem is device-specific or account level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.